How to check watch history on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you check watch history on Twitter. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Twitter app with your account. After you open Twitter, you'll get this type of interface. From your at the top left, tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option Settings and Privacy. From your at the top, tap on your account. And from the account section, tap on the option Download and Archive of your data. And from here to verify or keep your data safe, you'll have to just enter the verification code that you will receive on your Gmail. Simply for that, tap on Send code. And from here you will receive a verification code. After you verify with your verification code, you will be able to see this kind of interface. From here, tap on the option Request Archive from here. After tap on that, you will be able to notify when your data will be ready to download, and from that way you can easily access all of your data including your watch history on your Twitter. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.